Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today we got a 2014 Cadillac SRX. Gonna reset the oil life on it. Basically, first you want to push over so that you're in that, and then you're gonna go up, up, up. You keep going until you see oil life. This one I already reset, but once you get the oil life, you can do it with it running, you can do it with it driving. I did it when I was driving, so all you do is just press that, and you're gonna hold, I think 10 seconds, you'll hear a beep. Do 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 do. Any minute now. See the beep, and then you release. Push again, and you just hold it for another 5, and that's it. That'll be reset, and then you can put it back to wherever you had it. And yep, so that's how you reset the oil life on your Cadillac. Remember, it's 6 quarts of Dexos and a filter, and you're all set. Check us out on Facebook, hit the subscribe button, and as always, keep wrenching.